Hello! Today I'll be making a fuzzy navel. So we're gonna take our Collins glass, go ahead and fill that up to the top with ice. There's only 2 ingredients in this, and that is gonna be 1.5 ounces of peach schnapps, and then we're gonna fill to the top with OJ. Go ahead and give that a little stir. And we will garnish with a nice little orange slice. And here you have a nice light cocktail. Thanks for hanging out with us here at LV Bartenders. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss future cocktails, tips, and industry insights. Until next time, drink smart, stay creative, and we'll see you behind the bar.